Hello my crafty friends, it's Ellie from Periwinkle Matilda, and I'm back for another video of making the altered little golden book. Christmas Kittens, I'm using that digital kit. It will be, the link will be listed in the description box below. And I'm using the Polly's Pet little golden book with the cute kitten, and it's very Christmassy looking. I added one of these, I don't know what they're called, hook things, so that I can make a tassel and attach a tassel. I didn't add the inside front and back covers of the little golden book. I just thought that it didn't really need it, so I left it out. I did a hidden spine, 2 signatures, and I'll flip through the signatures to show you. So I used scrapbook paper for the cover, and then the story is in order and intact throughout the book. This is the wrapping paper, the Craft Martha Stewart wrapping paper that I got from Home Goods, and because it's so big I could cut the length that I wanted and make nice little pockets. Such a cute story. I definitely recommend getting the Christmas Kittens digital kit and this little golden book, because it really makes for cute pages. So I added coffee dyed paper. One of the I did print on all the back sides of the pages, and then this page, for some reason, I missed it. So it didn't get in the book, but I'm gonna cut it and use it on one of the pages. So cute. So there's lots of pages to decorate and to journal on. It would be a great December daily. I'm going to add the pockets and belly bands and things from the kit on the pages, and then I'm going to, this is the start of the second signature with scrapbook paper. I'm going to add the ephemera into this, and then I'm going to be listing it on Etsy so that someone can do the rest of the decorating and embellishing as they wish. Maybe use it for a December daily. But it's adorable. And I think the kit pages just go so well. Look at that adorable kitten. The colors and everything go so well with the little golden book. So cute. In the pocket. The end. That's appropriate for the last page. So I will show you some of the ephemera that I have started to prepare. So I have 2 belly bands. I have the triple pocket all put together. I think it's adorable. 2 pockets that I will embellish with some of the fussy cuts. 2 bookmarks. You could also use them as belly bands if you wanted to. And then there are 3 envelopes that I'm going to do like a flippy thing on the pages. So while I have this on camera, I'll go ahead and put some things with you into the book. I think this would look really nice on the front. So I'm going to add this. And I think that I will, I think I'll put another triple pocket on the back. I just like the way it looks. It can hold a lot of tags and cards and ephemera. So I think it's perfect for the front and back. Looks adorable. I love this watercolor image. Okay, so I'm going to put one pocket in each signature, and I'll see where I want to put it for the first one. Maybe here. I thought I inked them all, but I must have missed these pockets, so I'm using my Faded Jeans, the blue, because I thought it went well with this kit. I think I'll use my glitter glue. I cut the flaps down because I'm not going to be putting a whole lot of ephemera in, but in the kit, when you print it out, they are big flaps. So if you wanted to put like a booklet or a lot of things in it and make the gusset wider, you could just keep it the wide. But I generally cut it down because I don't put a whole lot in, and I don't want I don't want my ephemera flopping around, falling out. Let's see. Here we go. Let me see the fussy cuts. Here are some of the fussy cuts. I'll probably be putting some things on the pockets. Yeah. I got some blue ink on there. It's not good. Okay. So I hope everyone's doing well today. We're having lots more rain, I think, for another week, which isn't good for the floodings. It's like it didn't rain all summer, and now we're bombarded with the rain. Okay, so let's see. I jumped the gun here. I put the glue on before I decided where I wanted to put it. I'll put it here. Small gusset makes it a little more difficult sometimes to put it on the page. Meanwhile, I think the glue dried. Okay, that's that one. Now we'll put the belly bands in. See where we would like this. I'll put the belly band here. And I cut the gussets smaller on the belly bands because I am going to be putting a small file folder booklet, which I plan on doing with you all in the next video. So if you haven't already subscribed, please do so and hit the bell so that you will be notified of all the upcoming videos. Okay, that looks cute. And now we'll put this one. I think I'll put it here. Here comes Felix. What you doing, Felix? It's rubbing up against my camera arm. Hey, buddy. Do you want to say hi? Say hi to the folks. Don't knock the camera. It's going to sit right on the project. Okay, Felix. Okay, and I'll show you, this is the file folder from the kit, and I'm going to glue this down onto cardstock because I didn't print it onto cardstock, and then I think it'll fit nicely in here. It'll make a nice little booklet. So we'll do that together in the next video. And I'm going to put these little envelopes as like a flippy floppy thing. And I will do that off camera. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, be well, take care, and until next time, bye-bye, friends.